Yes, it's snowing. I'm not in Seaside. I'm in Trenton, and it's snowing here in Trenton. My poor van, it's buried. The squirrels are buried in the snow. They're not coming out. No squirrels. They're buried in the snow. Care, you don't even care. You don't even want to look out the window, do you? You don't care. Nothing. Peewee, what do you want? You look out the window? Peewee. Care what's out the window? You're not even looking at the snow. Look out that window. Look at the snow. Why aren't you looking at it? Mama, you don't even care about the snow. You don't care about the snow or anything. You're just sleeping. Mama. Cali, you're always hiding in the rafters. Well, it's still snowing in Trenton. Streets are almost deserted. South Broad Street, deserted. So it's 7 o'clock at night. It's snowing on a Tuesday night, and this is what my yard looks like. And it's let's see, how deep is it? 6 inches maybe, something like that. It's very cold out, and good drifts, and I don't like this. I don't like the snow at all. I think my swing needs a paint job. So there it is, Wednesday morning. The sun's in my eyes. I can't even see. The sun's so bright. But it's about 10 degrees out here. So, and a few cars rolling by, a little bit of traffic, and it is freezing. So we're not going to be out here too long. So yeah, not much to see out here. Pretty cold. Traffic flowing. Pretty good. Roads are clear. That's it, Tumbles and Peanut. I'm not going out anymore. 8 degrees outside. Cold. I'm not going out till I go back to Seaside, right, Tumbles? Tumbles? Tumbles! Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this little weekday snowstorm video. Until the weekend, see you later.